Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Learning English can be very easy if we practice with simple conversations. Today, you will listen to a natural dialogue between two people meeting for the first time. Pay attention to the questions and answers, repeat after them, and try to use these sentences in your daily life. Let's start.
Hello, good morning. May I sit here?
Of course, no problem.
Thank you. I'm Lucas from Brazil. What's your name?
I'm Sofia from Spain. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sophia. Spain sounds amazing. I've always wanted to visit Madrid and Barcelona.
Oh, really? Yes, they are beautiful cities. Where in Brazil are you from?
I'm from Rio de Janeiro. Beaches, football, carnival.
Oh, yes, I've heard a lot about Rio. It sounds exciting.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. And you?
Same here. I just arrived yesterday.
It's a bit different from home, but I like it.
Yes, I feel the same. New places are always interesting. Do you like this city?
Yes, I like it. It's beautiful.
So, are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student. And you?
I'm also a student. Looks like we already have something in common.
That's true. What do you study?
I study computer science. And you?
I study languages. I really enjoy learning new languages.
That's great. No wonder your English sounds so good.
Thank you, that's kind of you.
Interesting. So, do you like traveling a lot?
Yes, I do. I want to travel around Europe and maybe South America too.
That's perfect. You must visit Brazil then. I can be your guide.
That would be great. And you should come to Spain too. I can show you Madrid and Barcelona.
I'd love that. So, tell me, what do you usually do in your free time?
I like reading books, watching movies, and sometimes cooking. And you?
I love playing football, going to the beach, and listening to music.
Oh, what kind of music do you like?
Mostly Brazilian music, but also pop and a little bit of rock. What about you?
I enjoy pop and sometimes classical music.
That's nice. Have you tried Brazilian food before?
No, not yet. Is it good?
It's delicious. You should try feijoada or pão de queijo one day.
Okay, maybe you can show me sometime.
I'd love to. And I also want to try Spanish paella.
Deal. You try paella and I try Brazilian food.
Sophia, I really enjoy talking with you. It feels like we've known each other for a long time.
Thank you, Lucas. I feel the same. It's nice to meet someone friendly at a new place.
Hopefully we can keep in touch. Do you use WhatsApp or Instagram?
Yes, I use both.
Great. Can I add you?
Sure, no problem.
Perfect. I'll send you a message later. Maybe we can continue our talk in a nicer place. Would you like to have a coffee together someday?
That sounds nice. Let's do that.
Great. There is a nice cafe near the park. We can go there this weekend if you're free.
Yes, I'm free on Saturday.
Perfect. Let's meet on Saturday afternoon then.
Wonderful. Looking forward to it.
Me too.
Okay, see you on Saturday.
See you.
See you then.
Great job! You just listened to a complete conversation in English. Remember, practice is the key to learning any language. Watch this video again, repeat the sentences, and try to use them in real life. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations. See you in the next video.